Are you frustrated with your weight loss journey? Do you feel like you've tried everything but nothing seems to work? Well, I'm about to reveal the hidden truth behind weight loss that no one wants you to know. It's time to take control of your health and transform your body once and for all. Step 1. Understand the importance of nutrition. It's not just about counting calories. You need to nourish your body with the right foods. Stick to whole, unprocessed choices and watch those pounds melt away. Step 2. Get moving. Exercise is key to shedding those extra pounds. Incorporate a mix of cardio and strength training into your routine. Start small and gradually increase intensity to avoid burnout. Step 3. Sleep is not just for beauty, it's crucial for weight loss too. Lack of sleep disrupts your hormones, making it harder to shed pounds. Aim for a solid 7-8 hours of quality sleep every night. Step 4. Stress less. Excess stress leads to emotional eating and weight gain. Find healthy ways to cope with stress, such as meditation, yoga, or hobbies that bring you joy. Step 5. Drink up. Water is your weight loss secret weapon. Replace sugary drinks with H2O and watch your metabolism soar. Stay hydrated to support your body's natural fat-burning processes. Remember, this is not an overnight fix. Consistency and patience are key. Celebrate every small victory and stay committed to your journey. You've got this. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more weight loss tips and tricks. Start your journey today and uncover the hidden truth behind weight loss.